I enjoy it so much. It's so
Well,
funny.
I just enjoy being in the group. It's just,
Yeah, tell me about it. What do you like about it?
well, I'm a talker, so all those comments you get, I kind of wish I could say in person, but you know, I do the best I can with what I have to work with.
That's right.
I love watching because I never paint when Jen's painting. I always watch first, and that way I can type because I can't paint and type at the same time.
Yeah.
But I love the people. I mean, even with no faces, you know, I've connected with so many people. Nancy Orman actually sent me a friend request on Facebook.
Oh, wow.
And so she and I have actually been talking on Facebook and sharing things on Facebook.
Awesome.
So, you know, it's just kind of cool. It's like having a whole new set of friends and family.
Yep.
And, you know, where we are in this day and time, staying home or staying protected, it's just really nice to be able to come together and have that outlet.
Yeah.
That outlet is really good for me.
Yeah. That's good. That's great.
So
Nancy, how did you find Jen's Den Tribe?
you know, I was thinking about that because I think I actually came in at the beginning.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, and I don't know how, other than God put you there, because I wasn't looking for it. I didn't search for something. It was just there. And I honestly can't remember how I found y'all. But I got in the free group. Didn't stay in the free group very long. And I'm like, hello, I'm going to be a tribe member. I'm going to be a sister. I'm going to drive them nuts.
Yeah, I did the cow pop up, and I was sold. I'm doing this. I love them. I just fell in love with them. You know,
Yes.
they just, you know, it's them. You can see the goodness in them.
And they make me laugh. I mean, you know, you guys talk about my comments, but Michael, we have really missed you this week because we're always carrying, you know, I always carry on shenanigans with you. And while Jen's painting,
Right.
But you know what? We actually, though, and Jen made comment about this, we actually connected so well. We could watch her paint.
Right.
And we were all talking about gardens and the fact that I can't find canning jars.
I love it. I love that you found this avenue to create that bond and that community and, you know, that friendship that we all have now, you know?
That's right.
So, yeah, it's awesome.
I got home from work
Yeah, it's wonderful.
today, and I asked Ginger, I said, so how's the painting going? She goes, it's going great. I was like, you know, anybody ask about me or anything?
Yes, they always ask us.
Like, yes.
This is the thing. Tell Michael hello. We missed him and we love him.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Well, I'll be on tonight. It's on.
Cool.
Good.
We greatly appreciate it.
Thank y'all. Thank y'all so much. I said, you're a blessing. The whole tribe's a blessing. You know, for me, it's a blessing.
We agree.
So,
We feel the same exact way.
Yeah, that's right.
You know, they need to put a face with all my typing. I mean, they just do. You know, hair and all. I mean, you know.
Right?
Yeah.
Can y'all see? I'm actually a redhead.
I knew it. I knew it the whole time.
Oh my gosh. Guys, this is great. I'm glad I popped on.
Yes, we are so
I
glad.
enjoyed it too. Thank y'all for doing this, Jen. I really enjoyed. Thank y'all.
We will see y'all again soon. We love you all.
See you tonight.
Love y'all too.
Bye.
Love y'all all.
Bye.
Take care. Thank you.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.